Hello everyone, this is Umar back with another video. In today's video, I will be sharing my strategy to write the first article for your website. This is the fourth video of Empire Flippers Entrepreneurs Ride-Along series. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, keywords have historically been the judge of relevance and quality of content. They aren't dead, but entities give better insights to search engines. What do I mean by entities? Well, entity is a thing or concept that is singular, unique, well-defined, and distinguishable.
What?
Since Wikipedia acts as trusted seed for the Google Knowledge Graph, we can say anything having a dedicated Wikipedia page is referred to an entity. Now, how this applies to your content? Let's look at the search term best camping tents. Sure, we could create a post and stuff it with the key phrase. But in entity-based indexing, Google is looking for semantics and signals that indicate their relationships. So, how you optimize your content for entities? Step number 1. Choose and research a topic. If you want to rank for best camping tents key phrase, you need to gather insights on what other topics and concepts Google deems related in their entity graph. Well, where can we gain insights like these? There are a few places. Number 1. Google Images. Head over to images.google.com and enter your target key phrase. Beneath the search bar, you can find the entities Google positively associates with best camping tents. These aren't the tents or attributes of the tents you must list in your article, but logic would say that mentioning these topics will help Google associate your article with them. Number 2. People also ask. People also ask is another helpful source for entity optimization. These are the topics and questions Google associates with your target key phrase. Number 3. Wikipedia. By far we know entities are the foundation of Google's knowledge graph and Wikipedia fuels a lot of their knowledge on entities. We can assume that if Google leans on Wikipedia to help them understand topics, the attributes and sources found within Wikipedia may help guide our content. Step number 2. Use EntitiesChecker to analyze the competition. Visit EntitiesChecker.com and choose SERP Explorer option. Input your chosen keyword, specify the location, and select the language that you are targeting. Now, pick the competitors that are most relevant to your chosen keyword. After you have identified your competitors, proceed to download the list of entities that they are targeting. Use this list as a foundation for the entities to incorporate in your own article. Here's the pro tip. Import these entities in Surfer SEO to naturally incorporate them while you are writing your own blog post in Surfer SEO. Step number 3. Optimize your article. As you begin writing, your goal should be to establish the relationship between the entities you are targeting in your key phrase and give Google all context you can to associate your target keywords with their entity graph. Google Images, Wikipedia, and EntitiesChecker should help you choose the semantically related keywords and languages to use throughout your article. While people also ask can help you guide overall topics and headings. Again, the aim is not to stuff keywords, but to have a toolbox of individual words, phrases, and topics to guide our content in a way that prioritize our target entities. This logic is used by nearly all content optimization tools in the market. Let it be Surfer SEO, Page Optimizer Pro, or Phrase.io. Regarding the length of the articles, I follow one simple rule. Write as short as you can and as long as necessary. That's it. So, once the article is live on your website, extract and inject entities into your pages. I will create a separate video for that. If you're wondering how are entities used by search engines, here is the short answer. One of the biggest factors on how entities fit into search results is relatedness. Relatedness is judged primarily by something called co-occurrence. Co-occurrence judges the strength of relationships based on the frequency of the entities appearing together in a document around the web. The more frequently two entities are mentioned together and the more authoritative the document that mentions them, the stronger the relation. Feeling overwhelmed? Well, watch this video 2 to 3 times and I'm sure you will clearly understand my point. Since this is something I see most SEOs miss while publishing content on their website. So, I would like to know your opinion. Do you think entities are a ranking factor? Why and why not? Let me know in comments. Now, I would love your feedback. If you want me to create more videos on topics like these, such as extracting entities from Wikipedia pages, how you can leverage images in entity-based SEO, and so on. Have a good one. Bye bye.